Now this is how you can delete open tabs on the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you can get inside the Safari web browser as usual, and there are more ways how you can go about it. Like obviously if you have the window open in full screen, you can see that every single tab at the top, as long as it's open, has the X button, so you can close them one by one just like that. That would be an option, right? Or you can tap on the button in the top right corner, which is like these two squares covering each other, and you can see that this opens up the all tabs view. And in this place, you can manually swipe the cards or tabs away. They as well have the X button next to one, so you can see you can as well just tap it, or even more options. You can click on the three dots in the top left and select the tabs you want to work with, right? So you can manually tap on those which you want to close, and then tap the close button, and those will specifically be deleted or closed, cleared away from your Safari browser. And one more option is the ability to hold down on the blue check mark button in the top right, which gives you the ability to close all of your existing tabs, right? And that just gives you a fresh start with your browsing experience. So these are all of the ways which you can use to like close and delete the open tabs on a Safari. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. If there is something else you had in mind and I did not cover it, then let me know about it. It's possible I'll make an updated video in the future, but for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.